With 33,000 employees nationwide and across multiple industries including road, rail, energy and defence, Downer is true sovereign industrial capability. We are Australian-owned with an Australian board of directors investing in Australian jobs, economic prosperity and Australian industry capability. We have been supporting defence for 80 years. In 1941, we built Bathurst-class warships as a key contributor to the national mobilisation during World War II. This journey has continued over 80 years, including base and estate management and development, such as upgrade works at RAAF Williamtown, RAAF Richmond and RAAF Edinburgh. Recently, we've been working with Defence Innovation Hub on Mosquito, an IED detection capability in partnership with small to medium enterprises. Today, our Defence Estate Development and Building Upgrade business is joint managing contractor on the Riverina Redevelopment Program, a project encompassing the RAAF Base Wagga redevelopment, Albury-Wodonga Military Area redevelopment and Kapooka Military Area redevelopment. As Australia's largest sovereign defence partner, Downer Defence has the unique responsibility and privilege of nurturing careers and fostering thriving communities from coast to coast. In fact, we work with over 900 Australian SMEs and First Nations businesses. At Downer, we believe relationships create success, and a successful national defence is best delivered by Australians for Australians. Downer, 80 years supporting defence.